With a maxTV wireless set-top box, you can easily move your TV throughout your home. You can make your maxTV wireless by following just a few simple steps. Start by finding your internet gateway and make sure it's powered on. If you're not sure where it is, check your basement or utility room. Connect one end of the included Ethernet cable into the video access point and the other end into your gateway. Now connect the power adapter to the video access point and plug it in. Power on the video access point and wait at least 60 seconds. When it's ready, the power light will be on and the Wi-Fi light will slowly flash green. Place your wireless set-top box near your TV. Attach the power cord and plug it in. Connect one end of the included HDMI cable into your TV and the other end into the set-top box. Turn on your TV and power on the set-top box. Use your TV's remote to switch to the correct HDMI input for the set-top box. You'll see the message "Press OK to pair" on the screen. Press the button on the set-top box. The TV will show an image of gears. Go to your video access point and press the WPS button on the front. The WPS light will begin blinking green. On your TV, you'll see 3 dots followed by the maxTV starting screen. If you see the gears again, your set-top box is downloading an update. It will reboot once it's finished, and then you'll see the starting screen. To register your maxTV set-top box, you'll need your 10-digit SaskTel service number. If you have SaskTel home phone service, this will be your 10-digit home phone number. If you don't have SaskTel home phone service, you can find your service number, which begins with 457, in My SaskTel or on your bill. Once you know your service number, go to channel 999 and press OK on your remote. Enter your 10-digit SaskTel service number, followed by the number of your set-top box. If you are installing a PVR-capable set-top box, register it in position 1. You'll be asked if you want it to be your master PVR. Choose yes or no. Make sure your account name and service number are correct, then choose Register. You'll see the Success screen, and then your set-top box will reboot. Your service will be ready in 3 to 5 minutes. To learn more about programming your maxTV remote or about installing and registering your wireless maxTV set-top box, visit SaskTel.com/maxTV support.